This is our wellness room. Nego harī. We focus more about wellness to in a different career machines.
Yes.
So heno nedamenya ado aigemaraiga. This is it about the pelvic floor machine.
Pelvic floor machine.
Yeah, it tightens your pelvic floor. It got strengthen. Na hahati dio no gūcokereria.
Yes.
Karo tamakona digotida gerwate no me ado aigemarerwa gogo ikido na kuthini na no me ama maundu ado maiguaga ino guko uguo wikarite wikarire gite giki. Then there is this machine right here.
Yes.
Ni undu wa rukungu we cover them.
Sure.
Yeah. So this machine we just turn it on and no go rutoka kwira ginya to where your comfort zone and it gives it's like a Kegel exercise and it gives 20,000 Kegel exercise in a minute. So
in a minute. Evo. Egadhoga maita masho the 20,000 in a minute.
In a minute. Yeah, so we tell people it's about you can do 30 minutes depending on your comfort. Na itaitanaga depending on you how you raigua comfortable. No kumo haha ugathie kama kawaida. Yeah.
Susan Orio Hauri, who can be asked to gweka ishi Kegel exercise mutumia.
So women can do it. Also men aria magite na prostate cancer nitumeraga atiriri once you are through the if you are going through the chemo and everything is done no ma ona no ukihaha you also tightens that muscle. Yeah, so it's women and men. For pregnant for mothers who have been mahe mwanari ndimeraba imweterere reke hau hakiambe hakihirue tioki ate waima thibitari kuheo mwana ujira so ndiroka haha. So I try to tell them 6 months it's okay. Yes.
So it tightens the muscle.
It tightens the muscle. Also it helps. Yeah, tighten muscles. Neurona ado igene marathie into diapers tene. You know, so negwira tere ogekoro oko wi mutumia ate waruga watheka you feel like wahaya you feel like a drop. Then okay gate higosho the no maka kuri wona very young people.
Yes.
Men are diaper. You know, atumia young men are diaper. No, it's because you just need to tighten the muscles. Yes. And give that comfort. Turathi ukirikaga na ku yeshiragia ha ni hareka.
Did our fete Monica Kagoni, our friend, who made us connect with you?
Yes.
Demureta demure waxing. Ajira kaine gono. Demureta rere runi agoka haha. Would you say that she comes to this machine?
Yes.
Tumurehe.
Yes. Onanire. This one I saw straight from US.
Yes.
Yeah. So onanire kuria donire giuga. I need to know. Then I am like, you know, I have been hearing women, okay, madina maria mekuo, this is something that we can bring back to the country. This is something that I can bring back to the country.
Wow,
yeah, this is FDA. Every machines that I have here, they are FDA approved.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, everybody who wants to know about this machine, it's there. Yes.
Wow, amazing job, Susan. Once again, Tigalabu, this is also something that we haven't seen in many places.
Yes.
And it is so interesting that to atumia aria marenda guka go tighten their muscle. Even for the people who are unwell, mudura fight a condition, na niko muteithia gukorwo tighten their pelvic muscle. Wow, that's important. To thīna mbere Susan.
So now harī That's okay. Yeah, I thought like it gets a little bit so dusty in Thika.
Yes.
So this machine, kogo harī ishire, shita red light therapy, and I can tell you it works. Even I recommended my sister in US to do that theater. At time gege na accident, so my back used to hurt.
Yes.
Dagete accident dena mwana. So every time I sit so kaihida kaige daikara muno thiri, I would feel back pain. So gethie kwa chiropractor. Na neguo majiri ate soon we need to recommend something, and I can tell you Karo ino deka.
Yes.
Back pain. Imagine ndikoragwo na ruo. Na ndathire ni kwa sadamio na ndathire kwenda kumenya niki. So and I learned something. Gionatirere most of the time you find it turanywa dawa. Right now my back is fine, but also I can tell you also the red light therapy it helps burn the fat.
Oh, belly fat.
Yes, gokoreda haho.
No wonder.
But also I need to tell a disclaimer also today. People don't think when we talk about beauty, machine in your fix. You also as a person you really need to check your diet. You need to check your diet. You need to do other things. So this one it helps with that, with the mostly back pain I can tell you, and also fat, belly fat, muscles, thighs, now it tighten where you want. If you want your boob or your behind, yes, but I recommend other places.
So how does it work?
So moko, maguru, and the huge one you can do it on your tummy, and also it's the one you lay back on your career, and you still don't have to strip. You just need haria ore kiratia teni okurutate guo ciothe wikare we naked okora kamokori wikire kindu okora ru hahari. You can keep your pants, but you need haria urenda ku expose okora ni ndari ugoka haha. Also it's another 45 minutes. Yes,
45 minutes.
45
and
minutes.
It is safe.
It's very safe. Very safe. Yes. And I can assure you, even my sister used to tell me, oh, hello, I do a back pain, we are there, and she did it, and now she's like, I'm good.
For the sake of mwiroreri witotono joy kaunoare koria, is it a costly procedure?
Yes, it's not cheap. Because even the machine itself, they are not very cheap.
Yes.
So they are very expensive. So to put dikuga atene gokorwa cheap, but if you think about it, it's not expensive.
Yes.
So dogeshiria terere kunywa dawa. Dawa icio andu maranywa cia ruo iho cicoka ika damage kidney. Na ina goro. Ugikorwo ni ukureduce kumeria dawa ri, I will do that. So in the long run, it saves you money. Koko mundu ni akona atire to start with ina besha nyingi. No arora ri hindi wegere no reduce besha. And I tell people, if you are really, especially the people who are really the elderly, aria maranywa dawa, please try this for your parents. If they have rheumatoid, they have arthritis, whatever kind of pain, magoka. Tondu gutire kindu kiuru taruo na gutie mundu ungihota kuga akwire karo ati nduri na ruo ni urahena ruo no rutume uremo ni maundu maingi.
I agree.
Yeah, but so, also for me, I can tell you it works for me when it comes to fat.
I can
it
see.
Has worked for me.
A challenge for me. How much is it per session, Susan? Kana mahura thimo ni ukamera.
Ni kumera. But I don't want to deter people from kwenda kuigwa the price. Please don't put a price. Don't put the benefit on the plus tag. Yes.
Okay. Sawa. Okay. Reke mahura muto ni jwe mundu ni akwenda gukorwo hihi akinyihanyihia ta moko kana katumburi tumureke okani ukumira.
Yes. We also have other surfaces that can happen in this room. It's just that the space is not enough for them all the machines. Neturege especially people who are going for chemo. Neture a machine area etagwo new lymphatic drain. So it helps to pull fluids from the body and you get rid of those fluids from your career, like to pee, pee. So those things help.
Let me ask Susan. Taru wa breast cancer
yes, you still have hair tugikira just guoko. If you need the whole body okoredo maguru tu tugwikira maguru. If it's the whole body tukumikira tukumioho tukumira up the whole body. And it's a machine, it's non-invasive and it helps. That ginyado ya gemena spot injury, we do that. Also lutwina the other therapy twina yore ni Athuri area mena erectile dysfunction na ni ndera andu ati ti kunywa dawa muno no me tutatu no tuturamoraga na then especially dawa yo ya hori ya blood pressure no andu angi ni wona matirame aka mena murimu wa blood pressure kana matire manywa effect area ina yore the side yo ya side effect kiathondeketwo ya wira ucio. That was noted as a side effect.
Yes.
And I did actually used to do clinical research, so I was part of those drugs. When
so
we were,
you know how they work.
Yeah, we had to test ado, you know, kumenya kumarora before you get actually marketed. Now, as for that effect, kwa worry, no makaudo nagi matiraro aginya blood pressure yo nikore kwa mara kumwira. It's right now.
I know, wow. Kenyans, I hope
for men, I'm really encouraging men. Tini yene ndirego gwa hena modo a medic who is a man. Na mwoka is very private guti modo kumenya woka hana, you know. Kwa woke to weke, there is a questionnaire that you fill for men. Toga kuoria ni huomenya. Na please be open with us because if you are doing the drugs, nito kweda kumenya. Na nito kweda kumenya mirimu iri edewe nayo, especially diabetes and high blood pressure.
Wow, na erectile dysfunction gwiciria Susan ni thina ogumeire andu society-ini itu. Magashaya off kuga na kungiko kwina solution iri ingiuria mundu just dial that number. No ne ri hau ugo screen ni yaku ta mihure wone ukiona uteithio etiguo.
Men matigasha and it's very quick ugo kama tha maigana and I'm telling men they are paying for other services, beauty services, but that is key to their health. You know, na regene dia taru I had a patient did I review aga medication inake no igwa daenda kujire yo, you know, they don't need to shy off, but we have other alternatives. You know, also dawa ishiori, you really need to know the side effects in a show. I
agree totally. Wow,